knock on the door?
You gotta get him up.
He's waking up. Yo, come on, man. Bring that car up. Bring that car up. Yo! Bring the car up. Bring the car up. Bring the car up. Bring the car up. Cut him off, man. Cut him off. Had to break it. Yeah. We had to break the glass. We got the car stopped. Who's responsible? Stop. You good? Ready, boys? Start ready. Relax. Yeah.
Go get a drink. I got it.
I'm good. Come in. And them units just kept on going. Come on, brother. Let's go. Come on. What's wrong?
I was just trying to grab my pants.
Come on.
No, I'm not.
Lean up against it. Bro, all right, you go on. Come on.
No.
Come on.
It was just that pants.
Have a seat. Have a seat, bro.
It was just the pants. I'm not.
Have a seat, please.
Sorry.
Feet in the car?